Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make long-lasting relationships. Building a strong foundation starts with open communication, ensuring you both understand each other deeply. Trust is paramount, cultivated through honesty and consistent actions. Remember to always show mutual respect, valuing your partner's unique opinions and individuality. These core elements are the bedrock for a truly enduring connection, helping you navigate life's journey together with confidence and understanding. Nurturing your connection involves actively spending quality time together, engaging in shared activities that bring joy. Regularly expressing appreciation makes your partner feel valued and loved, strengthening your bond. It's also vital to support each other's individual goals and dreams, fostering personal growth within the relationship. These consistent efforts keep the relationship vibrant and ensure both partners feel seen, heard, and cherished every single day. Every relationship faces challenges, and navigating them together is key. Effective conflict resolution requires active listening and a willingness to find common ground, rather than focusing on who is right. Forgiveness is crucial for moving past disagreements and allowing healing to occur. Additionally, adaptability helps you both navigate life's inevitable changes and evolving relationship dynamics, ensuring your bond remains strong through all seasons. To sustain love and growth, always prioritize intimacy and affection to keep that romantic spark alive. Continue learning about each other, embracing personal evolution and shared experiences. Remember, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. This ongoing commitment to understanding and connection ensures your relationship continues to flourish. Check the description for a link to the air freshener, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.